are in a same community and we do something together also. So this is one of those things. So now we'll start. What you have to do, the very first thing, you have to read for 1 minute. I'm going to start the timer. You have to read for 1 minute. Once you finish reading for 1 minute, then I'll tell you what next we have to do. So are you all ready? First of all, are you all excited for this webinar? Okay. Yeah. Good. Good. So mark your starting point, and on count of 3, you have to start reading for 1 minute. I think Pooja has just joined.
Yeah, so we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. More
Okay,
people are
okay. Yeah,
joining in.
people are joining. Yes, yes.
Right.
Yeah. So be ready with your book and starting point. Like this, you have to start from somewhere like place. So once we'll wait for 2 more minutes, and then we'll start our first reading practice. Okay. So, Ms. Pooja, have you brought a book? Because this is a speed reading webinar, so we need a book. We are going to do some reading practice. Who all have joined just now? Shreyans, you want to ask something? Shreyans, Envy?
No, we just raise hand in acknowledgement of the fact
Okay,
that we are
okay,
ready.
okay. Yeah, understood, understood. Thank you. Disney Cars book. Disney Cars book is a picture book or it's a proper reading book? Reading board semester series. Okay. Okay. That's great now. 5.5. So another 1 minute and then we'll start.
So who all are academicians here? Can you raise your hands, please? One I know is accountant. So Chakra sir, I'm already throwing a question: how to read numbers faster?
Yeah. Okay.
So
So
since
that is
he's
going to be a part of my another webinar, because this is completely speed reading thing.
okay, okay,
So yeah, that reading number fast or getting numbers or memorizing numbers is all part of memory techniques.
okay.
Okay, so now we can start. Mr. Vivek, can we start? Is it okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So mark your starting point, and on count of 3, I'm going to start the timer and you have to read for 1 minute. Okay, so on count of 3, 3, 2, 1, and start your reading now.
So whosoever has just now joined, may please start reading the book for any book for 1 minute with your time.
Okay. Or it's just a 1 minute, we can give them time also again to read. By that time,
Sure,
I'll take their questions.
sure.
Okay. So last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop reading. Everybody stop reading. Okay. So the next thing, count number of lines. How many lines you have read? Okay. Count number of lines and note it down somewhere. So who all have joined just now and not did their reading practice. Is it Avinash? $52.25 or 25? Okay. Okay. So the next thing, 20, 14, 18, good, good. So the next thing what you have to do, you have to count your number of words in first three lines. Like if you have started reading from this place, no? So you have to count all the words in first three lines. 1, 2, 3. All the words in first three lines. Got it? Clear?
So Avinash and Miss Kaur has joined just now.
Okay. So what I can do for you, I can start the timer for 1 minute and you can start reading any fictional book, any fiction or non-fiction or self-development book. So have you brought any book first of all?
You can unmute yourself and speak, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to start the timer for who has just joined. Okay. So you can start your reading on count of 3. 3, 2, 1, and you can start your reading now. Yeah. For others, so if you have counted your number of words in 3 lines, then divide it by 3. Divide number of words in 3 lines by 3. Like if you have got 30 words in 3 lines, so divided by 3, you'll get 10 words. Okay. Now you have two things: number of lines and number of words, average number of words per line. Yeah. Anil, you want to ask something? Your voice is not clear to me. So for who are reading, no, so it is last 5 seconds now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay. So who has just joined and I've asked them to read, no? So you also have to count your number of lines. Yeah, Ayush. Okay, Ria has just joined. Okay. Daksh has just joined. Okay. 29. Sachi, is it 29 words in 3 lines, right? You all can unmute yourself and start your camera, so it'll be easier for me also to tell you. Yeah. So, Sachi, how many words you have read in 3 lines?
Sir, I have read 23 words.
23 words. So, divided by 3, it will become 8, right? And how many lines you have read, Sachi?
Sir, I have read, sir, 20 lines.
20. So, 20 into 8. That is your reading speed. So, how much it is? 20 into 8, 160. 160 words per minute is your current reading speed. Right now, you are reading at 160 words per minute.
12 words.
12 words. So 12 divided by 3, that comes out to be 4. And how many lines you have read, Daksh? Daksh, how many lines?
14.
14. So 14 into 4. That is 56 words per minute. Okay, Daksh?
Yes, sir, I have read 15 lines and 24 words.
So 24 is 8. 15 into 8 is 120 words per minute. Okay? So Ayush, your reading speed is 120 words per minute. Have you understood how we have calculated that? We have taken out our number of lines, how many lines you have read. Then we have counted number of words in 3 lines, and we have divided total number of words in 3 lines by 3. So we have got average number of words. Why we have did that? Because every lines could have different number of words. So that's why we have taken average of 3 lines. Okay? 96 words per minute. Okay. Okay. So your name is Finu. It's your mother's name is Finu.
Shania.
Sanaya. Okay, Sanaya. 96 words per minute. Okay, Sanaya. You have to note it down. Okay. Anybody else want to share? Anil, Avinash.
Sandhya ma'am or Ria or Mrs. Kaur?
Yeah. Have you all able to calculate your current reading speed? 12 lines. Yeah, Anil. So 12 lines you were saying. So how many words per line? First of all, have you understood how to read? So 12, 96 words per minute it is for you.
Sir, mine is 120 words per minute, right?
Yes, Ayush, yours 120 words per minute. 15 into 8, 120 words per minute. Yes. So note it down somewhere, because I'm going to tell you one more technique by which it is going to increase. Okay? It could increase by 15 to 20%. Yes, anybody else want to
Sir?
ask something? Yeah.
Sir, I read
Yeah.
this book, sir, this page of this book.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Not an issue.
It's
You
like
can read any book.
photos too, sir. Photos also.
So if you want, you can take a storybook also, Ayush.
Okay.
Do you have a storybook with
Mama?
you?
I think so, sir.
Yeah, yeah. And B, what is your reading speed?
120.
120. Yours is also 120. Okay. Finu 96. Anil, I've told you 96 words per minute. Is it Anil or? Okay. So anybody else have any confusion in taking out current reading speed?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sure. So are you all ready for first speed
Yes.
reading technique? 200 words per minute is good, Sachi. So is it your or it's your brother's?
They're my brothers.
Okay. So how many lines he have read? And what's his name first of all?
Sir, my name is Hemant.
Okay, man. Good. Good. Ria,
Sir?
you have just joined?
No, sir. I have joined with my phone, but then I thought I'd join my laptop. So
Okay. So have you did your reading practice or you have not?
I've done, sir.
Okay. So tell me how many lines you have read and what is your reading speed?
I've read some 25 lines.
Okay. It's not some. It has to be
No, sir. I've read.
perfect 25 lines. Okay. Okay. So and how many words per line? Ria?
Sir, I didn't count that because I got little disconnected,
Okay.
so I couldn't hear it.
So have you read first of all? So you can count it now also.
Okay, sir.
So count number of words in 3 lines and divide it by 3 and multiply with your number of lines. Clear? Okay, Ria. Do it and tell me. Somebody has joined just now, no? Who's that?
Sharyu.
Chalu. So,
Sharyu,
yeah.
Sharyu, have you can you take up a book and read for 1 minute? You can unmute yourself.
Yes, are you?
I think mic is not working there.
Maybe, maybe. So you can type in the chat box also. You have to read for 1 minute. Yeah, Ria, tell me. What's your reading speed?
Sir, it's just 450
450. Great, great.
because I've been reading from some third standard. Now I'm sixth.
You are in 6th. Good, good, good. So how many words per line you got?
I got 18, 19,
18,
19, 19.
19 in 3 lines, right?
I mean 18, sir. Sorry, 18.
18 in 3 lines or 18 in 1 line?
18 in 3.
3, no? So you have to divide by 6. Sorry, divide it by 3. So you'll
Okay.
get your answer as 6. So your
Okay, sir.
reading speed is 150. It's not 450. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Note
I
it down.
was
It will
wondering.
increase. Don't worry. It will increase.
I was wondering if it is 450, how much more it will increase.
Yeah. Right. Right. But then there are people who read at 1,000 words per minute also.
Wow. Uh, that must be record holders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Yeah.
Saryu, uh, Saryu, do you have a book? Because we are doing some reading practice. Saryu, can you type your answers in the chat box? That's okay for us also. Because I cannot see any. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So now I'm going to tell you the very first technique, which you may or may not be doing it. But then if you're doing it, it's good. If you're not doing it, then you should do it. And the name of that technique is visual pressure technique. Name of that technique is visual pressure. You have to use your finger, pen, or pencil to read, to do your reading practice. Are you all doing that? Okay.
Yes,
Sachi is
sir,
doing it.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Then also you have to do it. Okay. And let's see if it is increasing or not. And don't limit yourself. Read at the same speed. Whatever speed you're reading, read at the same speed. Okay. Just because you're using your finger, you need not to wait for comprehending that thing. Okay. You have to read at the same speed. You have to read it like this. And I'll tell you why we'll read faster by using visual patient. Okay. So we are going to read for 2 minutes this time. So take your book, mark your starting point, and we are going to read the fresh content. We are not to read the same content. So mark your starting point. And on count of 3, we will start reading. Are you all ready? First of all, Vinu, Envy, Ria, Sachi. Okay. Daksh. Okay. Ayush. Okay. Sure. So on count of 3, 3, 2, 1, and start your reading now. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Stop reading. Okay, stop reading. Again, count number of lines. You already know your average number of words, so you need not to count your average number of words this time. Count number of lines divided by 2, multiply with your average number of words. Okay, and tell me your new reading speed.
Sir, would you tell why it is faster or why it makes it faster?
Yeah, I'll tell. Let them finish number of
Sure.
counting, Vivji, then we'll tell. Yes.
Sure.
Good. So, Shreyans, what was your reading speed first time?
280.
280. So, 336. So, there's an increase, right? So, you definitely
Yeah.
will not be using your visual pressure before that.
No, I was
Yeah.
not.
Okay. So, now you should use your visual pressure while reading.
It sounds interesting, but I'm waiting for knowing the reason of it. It might be the case that first time I might be reading slower. Now, second time, due to pressure, the number can get increased as well.
Possible.
So
But
knowing
then
the
it
fact,
actually helps.
it's more
It
important.
actually helps. Why I'll tell you. Let other also come up with their reading speed. No? Then I'll tell you why we will read faster by using visual pressure. Don't worry.
Sir, mine is 49 lines, sir. I read 49 lines in 2
So
minutes.
divided by 2 and multiply with your average number of words. Is it Sachi or is it
So can
who
you
said
I've got 46 lines.
46 divided by 2? So 23. 23 multiplied by your average number of words.
so could you please repeat the instruction once more, the calculation?
Yeah. Yeah. The calculation is first you have to count number of lines. Okay. This time we have read for 2 minutes. So you have to divide it by 2. You'll get your number of lines. That's your first parameter. Then count number of words in 3 lines. 3 complete lines, full lines, and divide it by 3. So you'll get average number of words in 1 line. Second parameter. Multiply your number of lines with your average number of words. That is going to be your reading speed. Okay.
Sir, I
Yeah.
27 lines and 104 words.
Yeah, Anvi?
Sir, I'm writing the chat.
Your voice, little disturbance is there. Anvi.
Sir,
Can
what
you
do you
please
mean by average number, sir?
average number, because we are actually taking a number of words in 3 lines, no? So that's why we are dividing it by 3, so that we'll get number of words in 1 line. Like if in your first line there are 10 words, second line 11 words, and again third line it is 10 words. So we'll take average and we'll get 10 words per line. Okay. Maybe in first line it could be 10, in second it could be 11, and third it could be 12. So your average is going to be 11. So that's why there's a difference. So that's why we take
Okay,
average
sir.
number of words. Okay, Ayush? Ayush, what's your new reading speed? Have you calculated? Have you
Sir,
taken
I'm
out?
calculating, sir. I'm
Okay.
calculating.
Okay. What about you, Ria? Sachi?
Yes, sir. 540.
540? No. Ria, there's some mistake. It could not be 540. What you have did, you have multiplied number of lines
26.
and you have not divided by 2. So you have to divide your number of lines by 2. How many lines you have read, Ria?
Sir, you have to multiply it by the average number, right, sir?
Yeah, you have to multiply by the average number of words. But then your number of lines should be divided by 2 also. So, Ria, how many lines you have read?
90.
90. 90 lines you have read?
Yes, sir. I'm reading Geronimo Stilton because it was the only story I have.
Okay, good. So, if it is 90, so your average number of number of lines is 45. And how many words per line? 6, no?
Yeah. No, sir, 80. I mean,
18 is 6. 18 is 6. Okay.
Okay.
So 45 multiplied by 8. So 90 multiplied by 3, that is 270.
Okay, sir.
So it was 150, now 270, more than double, huh? By using single technique. Your reading speed is more than double.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What about you, Ayush?
Sir, I've got 24 multiplied by 25 is 590, sir.
So what you are doing, you are multiplying your total average. You are not taking average number of words. You are taking total number of words. So for taking average number of words, you have to divide it by 3 also, no? So Ayush, you could have read 48 lines, right? How many lines you have read, Ayush? So divided by 2, that is 24. Okay. And your total number of words is 25. So 25 divided by 3. So that is again 8. So 24 into 8 is going to be your reading speed. So 25 into 8 comes out to be 200. So 24 into 8 comes out to be around
196.
196. Okay. 192. Yeah, 192. So Ayush, your new reading speed is 192. What was your earlier reading speed, Ayush?
120.
So 120 to 192. So you'll definitely were not using visual patient. I want to know about Sachi,
Okay,
because Sachi
sir.
was already using it, no? Visual patient. Great, Ayush. Thank you, Ria. Yeah. What about you, Sachi? What's your new reading speed?
Sir, my reading speed per minute is 160 words, and in 2 minutes it's 3,680 words.
You need not to count all the words. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to only count number of lines. Okay. So once you'll count a number of lines, no, then you multiply with your average number of words. So you'll get your reading speed. And what was your earlier reading speed, Sachi?
Sir, can you repeat?
What was your earlier current when we calculated your current reading speed? No. So what was your reading speed?
Sir, 160 words per minute, and I read 20 lines.
This time you read, no? Earlier.
Last time.
Last time also 160 and this time also 160. Is it?
No, last time I read 20 lines, and it took
This time you
160
read 23 lines. Is it?
No,
Right?
46 lines.
So that is 23. 46 divided by 2. So that is 23. Okay. So 3 lines more you have read. Right. So you are already using this technique. You are already using this technique. Yeah. Who's that? Sorry. Is it Finu? And we?
Sir, I wrote 27 lines. I read.
You read 27 lines. So 27 divided by 2. That is 14. And multiply with your average number of words. Okay. So now I'll tell you why we read faster by using visual patient. When you use your visual patient, you are using your 2 senses. How many senses? 2 senses. Your eyes and your kinesthetic sense. Kinesthetic is your touch sense. So you are actually guiding or helping your eyes to read. So that's why you read faster. Okay. Can you see? You are using your kinesthetic sense or sense of touch also. So that actually helps you read faster. Okay. Yeah, Anvi.
Sir, I didn't understand.
What I told, no. So when we read using visual patient, no, your finger, pen or pencil, no. So we are using 2 senses while reading. One is your eye, second is your sense of touch. You are touching that book, no? Here you are touching that book, no, while reading. So you are actually assisting your eyes to read faster. When you use your eyes only while reading, no, so your eyes will become tired. So you are actually assisting it by using your sense of touch also.
Sir, I didn't understand how to.
Calculate.
Yes.
Is it? So how many lines you have read, Anvi?
27.
27 divided by 2, that will become 14. And how many average words, Anvi?
Sir, 120 or 127.
No, you're telling me all the words. You shouldn't tell me all the words. You should tell me number of words in 3 lines.
Okay.
So how many words in 3 lines? Anybody else have confusion in how we calculate our reading speed?
Sir, 17.
Yes, sir.
17. Yeah, Sandhya.
Some problem to calculate my lines and my speed.
Okay. Okay, so how many lines you have read, Sandhya?
61.
61 lines you have read. That is 32. And how many words in 3 lines?
9.
9. So 32 multiplied by 9. So 30 multiplied by 9 is 270 and again 80. So 288 is your reading speed. Okay?
Yes.
Ayush, do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay, you have raised hand. No? That's why. Okay. Okay. So Sachi's brother, what's your reading speed?
So my reading speed is 23 lines per minute.
23 lines per. No, it is 23 lines you have read. You
Yes.
also have read 46, like Sachi. Okay. Okay. Good. You both are twins.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Koi nahi. So now I'm going to tell you one more technique. Yeah. Tell me.
I'm a cousin.
You're a cousin brother. Okay. Okay. No. Sure. So now I'm going to tell you one exercise which you have to do before your reading practice. Before picking your book, you have to do this exercise daily.
Sir, I calculated, sir, I have to divide 23 by 46 by 12 or 23, and then I have to divide it by how many words in 3 lines.
Yeah, so if you got 30 words in 3 lines, and okay.
Okay.
So is it Sachi?
Yes, sir.
So if you got 30 words in 3 lines, so your average number of words is 10, and you have to multiply those average number of words with your number of lines. Number of lines in 1 minute. This time we have read for 2 minutes, no? So that's why you have to multiply with your average number of words in 1 minute. Okay? Clear?
Sir, my answer is 680 by multiplying.
No, Anvi. 680 cannot be your reading speed because how many lines you have read, Anvi? Again, if you can tell me.
27.
27. So you have to 27 in 2 minutes, Anvi, right?
Yes, sir.
So 27 divided by 2. So how many you'll get? 13 point something, right? So that is 14. So 14, then multiply with your average number of words per line. What is that? 70. So divided by 3, so you'll get 6. So your 14 into 6, that is going to be your reading speed. So how much it is? 84. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your reading speed is 84. So clear? Should I tell you the exercise now? Are you all ready? Okay, okay. Sure. Okay, great. Okay. So what you all have to do, you all have to keep your finger like this in front of your eyes. And you have to keep your focus at this point. Your face should be stationary, it shouldn't be moving. You have to follow using your eyeballs, and you have to make an imaginary 8 in the air. Can you all see? Your focus always should be at this point, and it has to be a bigger 8, and you have to make it very slowly. You have to make it very slowly. Clear? You all have to make it very slowly. Do it 20 times and make a bigger sleeping 8 or infinity sign in the air. When you are making a round, it has to be a infinity or sleeping 8. Okay? It has to be sleeping 8 or infinity sign. Do you know what infinity is?
No.
So can you make 8 in a sleeping position?
Yeah.
8. So make that 8 in the sleeping position.
Okay.
Okay? Clear? Do it.
So total, how many techniques are there, sir?
I'm going to tell 2 techniques on there. This is the
No,
second
but
one.
generally, how many are?
There are n number of techniques, but then I know 8 techniques.
Okay.
Yeah. by which one can increase the reading speed by 3 times, minimum 3 times.
And what has been your, like, till date in your experience, how many words per minute has increased for any kid?
There are students who has read who can read at up to 1800 words per minute.
Wow. So that is after the workshop or before the workshop?
No, in the workshop. In the workshop.
In the workshop.
Yeah. When you are still not making it right, huh? You have to make 8. See how I'm doing it. Huh? Can you see? It has to be 8 in the air. Making 8 in the air. Yes, right. But your face should be stationary. It shouldn't be moving. Done. It has to be slowest possible, huh, Ayush? Don't do it fast.
Sir, my reading power is 238.
238 reading speed. Is it, NB? Okay. So now you have to do the exercise, NB. Have you did that exercise?
Yes, sir.
So you need not to read now. I'll tell you when to read. First, you have to complete your 20 times, and then I'll ask you all to read. Okay? So first do that, and then don't do it fast, NB.
Sir, I did it.
Okay. So wait. I'll start the timer, then you have to read. Okay? Are you all ready? Shreyans, Sachi, Ayush, okay, Ria,
Yeah.
okay. Sure. So I'm going to start the timer again. Mark your starting point, and on count of 3, we will start reading. Take your book, mark your starting point, and we'll start reading. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start reading now. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Stop reading now.
Seeing their hand movement, it was looking like they're just moving the fingers, not reading.
Means while reading also you are doing that? No, you shouldn't do that. If you have did that, then I have to start again. Huh? While reading, you shouldn't do that. It's before reading. I've told you, no? So who all have did that? Vinu, Ria, you also have did while reading?
Sir,
If you have
this
did
time
that,
I read 31 lines.
how many lines, MV?
31.
Okay, great, MV. So you this time you got 16 lines per minute, okay? And multiply with your average number of words. I was asking Finu and Ria. So while reading also you are doing that exercise? What about you, Finu? Okay, okay.
Sir, I got 63 lines.
Ayush, 63, right? So this is 34. 63 is 34. Earlier it was 32.
Sir, it was 41, sir. Sir, last time I read 41 lines.
And this time you read 63. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 32. And how many words per line?
I'll see, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I
Sachi?
have 60 lines.
So I got 63 lines per minute.
So 34 and 30. So how many words per line also tell me? Then I'll tell you your
Sir,
reading speed.
15 words per line.
15 words per line. So 34 into 15. So 6 and 3 is 45 and 6. 510 words per minute. Is it? If you in 3 lines or in 1 line? Ayush? 15 words? So 340 plus 170, that is 510 words per minute. Okay. Great, great, Ayush. 510 words per minute now, this time. Nice. Great progression.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Ayush,
much,
you got
sir.
510 words per minute. Huh? Yes, thank you. Yeah, Ria?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sachi?
Sir, I have 30 words in 3 lines.
30 words, that is 10. So 300 words per minute. And what about you?
I got 31.
31 is also 10. So it is 340 words per minute. So this time you got 340 words per minute and Sachi 300 words per minute. Okay?
Sir, 18 words in 3 lines.
18 words in 3 lines. And how many lines, NB?
Sir, 31.
31. So that is 16. And 18 is 6. So 96 words per minute. So from 84 it is 96 now. It's good, NB. Nice. Yeah, Ria? Shreyans? Any change? Any positive change?
No, mine went down.
Went down. Okay. Okay. So how many lines you have read, Shreyans, this time?
45.
45. Okay. And number of words?
315 words per minute.
350 words per minute. And what was your earlier reading speed, Shreyans?
336.
So 315, 1-5.
Yeah, 1-5.
Also, it's not a considerable, means it's not a big decrease.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. But then you need a lot of practice while reading. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Ria. Okay.
Sir,
Ria, yeah. How many lines you have read?
so I've read like I've read 20. I mean 6.
How many lines? Ria,
Yes, sir.
yeah. How many lines you said?
Hello, sir. My name is Tanmay, and I
Yeah.
have read 86 lines.
86
And
lines. Okay.
per
43.
line there are 5 words.
Okay. So 250. It is 15. So 215 words per minute. Okay, Sanmay?
My reading speed is 271.
How to calculate, sir?
So you have to multiply your number of lines in 1 minute. You have read in 2 minutes, no? Finu, 1 second. When you this time you're reading for 2 minutes, no? So like if you got 86 divided by 2, you'll get your number of words in 1 minute, and then you have to multiply with your average number of words per line.
Okay. Yes.
So count number of words in 3 lines divided by 3. So you will have two parameters: number of lines, number of words, and multiply both, and you'll get your reading speed.
Yes. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Finu.
My reading skills is 271.
271 is good, Envy. Great. Yeah, Finu.
Sir, can you tell if my calculation is correct?
Yeah. How many lines you have read, Finu?
52 lines and 33 words in 3 lines.
52 is 26, 33 is 11. So 260 plus 26, that is 286 words per minute. That's very good. Yeah. Good, Finu. Nice.
Sir, my name is Shania.
Sanaya, I'm sorry. Because it is written Finu, no? So I was not knowing that. Okay, Sanaya. After that, I'll always keep that in mind. That your name is Sanaya. Okay? Yeah. Anybody else?
Sir, I would like to say something here.
Yeah,
My son
yeah.
Aditya is reading. He doesn't want me to open the video because he's tired from his morning online classes.
Okay,
Okay. I
okay.
made him sit voluntarily here
Okay,
to just come and understand. But he is doing his reading.
okay.
And now, one thing I have a doubt here.
Yeah, please.
The reading goes fast and we are increasing with time, and your techniques are very nice.
Thank you.
But the thing is, what we are reading, are we able to understand?
Yes, yes, you will be able to understand that because it is all about practicing that thing. Okay. So once a child start practicing the first technique like visual pressure will take some time. Then the second technique is called infinity technique or the sleeping aid technique. And in medical terms, it is called mid-brain exercise. So
Okay.
it will increase focus when we start exercising or do any kind of exercise. So it takes time, no? So this way it is also take time.
Okay. Okay.
He will see means speed reading or there's an increase in reading speed, but then comprehension thing will take little bit of time,
Okay.
but it
Okay.
will come.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody else have any queries? Want to ask anything? Okay. Chalo.
So what is the significance of this?
This is actually what we do. We all have two brains, left brain and right brain. So by doing this exercise, no, actually we bring the coordination between both the brains, your creative side and your analytical side. So first, your interest increases. Second, your concentration increases. Okay. Hi,
Arjun sir,
Arjun.
you are very late.
We are almost finishing now. Yeah.
So, but what does that exercise do? I didn't get that.
This exercise will increase the coordination between both the brains. So when coordination increases, no, your interest increases in anything, not only reading. If you're writing also, no, if you do this exercise, you will have you'll generate some interest in doing that.
All right.
Okay. And second, your focus increases. You're putting your focus on a single thing, no. So your concentration also increases.
Got it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Sir, my speed is 900.
No, Sachi. In one session, it could not be 900. There will be some calculation mistake. You tell me, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir, I read 60 lines. I divided it by 2, and how many words in 3 lines I multiplied it by. So I got 50.
No, you are getting number of lines, whatever number of lines in 3 lines, no? So you have to, that also you have to divide it by 3.
Sir, can you repeat?
Like if you're reading, if you have read 60 lines, so divided by 2, you'll get your number of lines in 1 minute. Okay?
Yes.
Clear? Then what you have to do, you have to count number of words in 3 lines and divide it by 3. We want everything in 1 line, no? How many lines we have read and how many words in 1 line? Yes.
Sir, so I divided, there are 30 words in 3 lines. So I divided it by 3 and I got 10. So now,
10 into 30. That is 300 words per minute. Simple calculation.
okay.
Okay. So, Mr. Vivek, I've finished with my techniques.
Great.
So I've already shared. Yeah. Yes.
So you do some courses, right?
Yeah.
8 techniques you said. So how much
Yes.
time does it take to learn it, and are
Actually,
people here
yeah.
can attend any of the programs that you have?
Actually, I run a speed reading challenge. It's on weekly basis. So every day they can attend for half an hour, and I'll give them reading practice like I've given here. So they can see the results on daily basis.
Okay. And
Yeah.
is there a time duration to it?
Half an hour. It'll be half an hour at 3 o'clock every day.
So 7 days, half an hour each.
Yes.
And what is the batch size?
Batch size. Yeah, batch size because everybody have to read, so I can take up to 18 people.
1/8.
Yeah.
Would you be able to comment on the pricing front there?
Yeah, it is means 7 days challenge is 999. But then in that you will definitely see your reading speed increase by 3 times minimum. If you're starting at 200, when you leave that challenge, no, it will be more or less 600, and your comprehension will also increase because I'll tell at least 3 exercises to increase the comprehension also.
Okay. Good question has come in.
Yeah.
What is your reading speed?
Mine is 450. I actually tell more of reading speed and I won't do, no. I don't like reading because I'm a kinesthetic learner.
Okay. Any other questions, audience? So if anybody would like to join this program, they can ping me. I'm just putting in a feedback form. If you can all fill that, that will help us to understand how, if you have liked the program and if you would like to join other sessions like this. So we'll be having another session with Mr. Chakradhar in about 15 days time. I've shared a link on the chat. If you can fill the form, please. So Arjun sir, how old is your kid, or you were here for yourself? Arjun sir is busy in working.
No.
Yeah.
I'm figuring how to unmute this.
Okay.
I am here for myself. My kid is just 3 years old.
Okay. So you also can she also can read some storybook. Don't worry, you can give her.
Sure, Chakra.
Yeah. But then it actually works for 7 years and above.
People filling form here, I don't see responses coming in. I've given a form link in the chat. If you can fill that, it will help us understand if you would like to attend future events and something about yourself. So we will be also releasing this video on our Self-Study Smart Kids YouTube channel. And there also, if you want to ask any questions, it will be live streaming. Right. So I'll stop the recording here.